If you use Evernote regularly, templates can save you a huge amount of time and help you stay consistent across all your notes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Evernote templates, how to apply a saved template to a new note, and how to create your own custom template from scratch. By the end, you'll know how to turn repeat tasks into a fast, repeatable workflow. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's look at how to apply a saved template in Evernote. Start by creating a new note. You can do this by clicking the New Note button inside Evernote. Once your note opens, look just under the note title. You should see a Templates option there. If you don't see it right away, you can also click the Insert button, which is usually shown as a plus icon, and then choose Template from the menu. After you open the template gallery, you'll see your available templates. Go into My Templates and browse through the options you've already saved or that Evernote provides. When you find the one you want, click on it to preview or select it. This is useful if you have templates for meeting notes, project planning, daily journaling, task tracking, or any other recurring workflow. Once you've chosen the right template, click Apply Template. Evernote will instantly insert that layout into your note. This saves you from rebuilding the same structure over and over again. Instead of manually adding headings, checkboxes, and placeholder text, the template gives you a ready-made starting point in just a few clicks. Now let's move on to creating your own custom Evernote template. This is where templates become even more powerful because you can build something that matches your exact workflow. Start by creating a new note and then format it exactly the way you want the template to look. For example, you might add headers for different sections, checkboxes for tasks, bullet points for ideas, or placeholder text that reminds you what to fill in later. Think of this as designing your perfect note structure once, so you never have to do it again. If you often take client notes, for example, you could create sections for goals, action items, deadlines, and follow-up questions. If you use Evernote for content planning, you could make a template with title, summary, keywords, outline, and next steps. The idea is to create a reusable layout that makes your process faster and more organized. When your note looks exactly how you want it, go to the upper right corner and click the More Actions button, which is the three-dot menu. From there, choose Save As Template. Evernote will ask you to give the template a name, so choose something clear and easy to recognize. After naming it, click Save. And that's it. Your custom template is now stored and ready to use, anytime you need it. The next time you create a note, you can open your template gallery, select your saved template, and apply it instantly. This is one of the easiest ways to make Evernote feel more organized and much more efficient. A few quick tips before you go. Keep your template names simple so you can find them faster. Build separate templates for different use cases instead of trying to make one template do everything. And if your workflow changes over time, don't be afraid to update your templates so they stay useful. Templates are best when they reflect how you actually work. So now you know how to use Evernote templates, how to apply a saved template, and how to create your own custom version for repeated tasks. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.